In this tutorial we'll have a look at the SmartArt Wizard, one of the most powerful tools within the Chart BI add-in. Let's start again with creating the design we would like to have by putting the respective shapes, text boxes, lines, icons and images on the slide. Then we arrange them, so they form the smart art we would like to have, though not yet interactive. Next, we select all objects, and click in Create New Smart Art. In case you would like to have some parts of it to act like bullet points, group these shapes before running the wizard and then choose New Smart Art with sub-items. A side panel, called the SmartArt Wizard, opens on the right. In the first step you can choose the number of blocks of your design you would like to have. You can define whether it should be a classic visualization, rows or columns, or whether it should be like a dashboard. You can set the orientation, add a title and a logo, and enable a background or a frame behind each block. Also, you can activate the themes. In the second step you have a list of all objects, and you can also here choose whether they should be single items or multi-items. Also you can delete an object or even add further objects to your layout. After clicking Finish, you have the ready-to-use smart art on your slide. In our case we have enabled and adapted the sub-item labels, and also the shapes of the sub-items. We have also adapted the theme which applies to each of the objects. In the next step we have completed each block with a corresponding icon and image. Now we still need to add a simple chart to our smart art. We select the smart art, click on Wizard, and go to the second step again. There we choose Add New Object and we select the chart we want. We place it correctly and immediately can insert also the respective values. When we're all set, it looks like this. Quite nice.